Hey everybody, David Lund with Excalibur rings. Today's ring making video, we're going to be making a lava themed ring. This is a tungsten ring with these really nice black and red opals that have a nice shimmer in the sunlight. And then we also have this ring available on our website. I'm going to take you through the entire process and show you how it's made. So let's get started. Okay. All right, so first thing we're going to start out with here, you have your thin CA adhesive. This is what I primarily used. And then I have these different opals here. So I'm going to be going, just kind of giving it just a really base layer with some black pigment powder that I have. Before I do that, I'm just going to apply just a little bit of CA adhesive here. And once it's on there, and once you get a little bit on there, I'm going to start working on this first layer. And let's give it some contrast. And we'll do the ruby red opals first. These are synthetic opals. There we go. Now we got a nice little contrast going. So a little bit of adhesive there, just a little bit, just so it doesn't run off the edges. And we're gonna add the lava rock opal. This is an actual lava rock. And then top everything off with some pigment powder here. Here we go. All right. Okay, I'm gonna rotate this. We're just basically gonna do the same thing. And I can already see some of the red opals starting to come off. They seriously look like just rubies coming out of the rough. Dry for a little bit. All right, so now we're just letting the ring dry. This process took about 10 to 15 minutes. If you're just starting out with ring making, it can take a little bit longer, just until you kind of get used to what you're doing. But eventually, just give it some time. If you're doing this at home, like, you'll get better over time, and it just takes practice. Yeah, go ahead. So this is a message. This is from my Etsy account. This is a customer. They had requested to see if their ring could be fixed, and I told them yes, absolutely, just a really quick patch. So you can see here, this is a ring that I had made for somebody, and if you look closely, you can see that a part of it fell off, which is bound to happen. I think this customer was from last year, and then I just always do a lifetime warranty, so they can get the ring fixed at any time if something happens to it.